Today's the day, guys. Today's the day. What's up, guys? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Man, has it been some time since I've done another video. But I wanted to come on here on YouTube to share with you guys my purchasing experience. So I've been affiliated with StockX for some time now, but in all honesty, they have not provided me this pair. This pair was purchased with my own money. Any of the links that you see in the description box below for many of the videos that I've done have always been affiliate type links. So if you purchase something through those links, I get a kickback or a portion of the sale that is made, and it helps the channel out, helps me out. So anyways, for a couple weeks now, I've been, well, probably for a few months now, I've been eyeing this particular pair. Now, there were two different choices that I could have went with, and I've polled my Instagram audience on whether I should go with the Air Jordan 1 Cactus Jack, the Travis Scott's, or the Air Jordan 1 Union Black Toe. So, this video, we're about to find out. This is the special unveiling. So here we go. Yes, sir. If you guys guessed the Union Air Jordan 1 Black Toe, you're correct. Whew. Man, was this some money, dude. So, here's why I went with this shoe, right? I like to complete sets. I'm a collector. And while I did have the Cactus Jack or the Travis Scott Jordan 1 review on my channel, shout out to CivicKid96, thank you for offering your pair for me to do the review, I had to obviously give that back. And I already had the Storm Blue. And you guys already know that if you're missing one, you gotta have the other. So that's what I did. And I was able to get this for retail on Union's website, on unionjordan.com when it was live. So I had two opportunities to get this one. Through sneakers, which I failed miserably, and on Union's website, which I also failed miserably. Sometimes the dice doesn't roll the way that you want, and you lose. But I had to go with this one. I had to complete the set. You guys know. You guys know. So I did pay over a stack for these, and it hurt quite a bit. I haven't copped a sneaker since pretty much the SP Gina ones, and that was back in late May. So I've been saving up that money. I made some returns that sneakers that I probably wouldn't be using. I won't name those sneakers. You'll probably find out at my end of the year review video or something like that. But yeah, I saved up about 2 months worth, and yeah, I had to do it. I had to do it, guys. So anyways, this is the Air Jordan 1 Union collaboration, the black toe with the natural gray one upper. And honestly, dude, we need an Air Jordan 1 with an all black tongue, black toe. It's necessary. Like, the natural gray Air Jordan 1 is definitely necessary as well. Those two need to have separate releases, in my opinion. But, man, the Union Jordan 1 collaboration is sick. Like, and this was one of the better, or one of the more popular pairs that ended up happening in comparison with the Storm Blue. The Storm Blue like was supposed to be the more limited shoe, but this one ended up being the more popular shoe. And the reason why I pulled the trigger as well is because, man, like, you see these sneakers all over social media, and it's like, I don't have it. It can't be like in my hands, and I want to be able to, share like my pickup on it as well. I want to win, and so, patience, right? And sometimes that's what you got to do if you guys want a sneaker that you really want a sneaker. So that's what I did. I didn't cop sneakers for some time. Yes, it probably hurt this channel. I didn't have the opportunity to have it grow. But as you guys know also is that sometimes with these YouTube channels, and you guys follow like a lot of them, a lot of the popular ones as well. A lot of that is based off products. And a lot of people want to be able to see new products. Given that this is a product that was released last year, I think people were still genuinely interested on what my decision would be. And so again, like, this is a sneaker that I had to have in the collection. It was necessary. The Travis Scotts, the lows, I also wanted those, and I also wanted the Travis Scott highs. And like, those were going for $200 or $300 more than what I paid for this on StockX. And you guys can go on StockX and you guys can figure it out. Or, just click the link in the description if you are interested in a pair. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys, even if you use the link for purchasing something else, I think I still get a kickback of whatever purchase you make off StockX. But I know for damn sure, like, this was something that was necessary. I have a lot of dead stock sneakers, and you guys know that I'm a collector. I also have a bunch of sneakers that I also wear that I don't show on camera. Maybe I'll do that video sometime too, or maybe an updated version of a collection video or something like that. We'll see. But anyways, I want to share with you guys some B-roll shots of the Union Air Jordan 1 Black Toe for sure. And I think this is just a sexy shoe. And Chris Gibbs of Union Los Angeles did an excellent job with the storytelling and everything. So again, if you guys support, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Also subscribe here to the channel if you guys are into Air Jordans and love to see any of my perspective on things, my opinion on things. You can also go to mjo23dan.com. I write pieces on there just as a personal blog journal type thing. Alright guys, thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.